Now it is exercise 1.3. So before going to exercise 1.3, now tell me the product rule. Minus into minus is the product of two integers is negative integer is positive. The product of two positive integer is always positive. The product of a positive and negative integer is negative. The product of a positive and negative integer is negative. Am I right? So when we are multiplying the negative integer odd number of times means negative. When we are multiplying the negative integer even number of times, then it is positive. Am I right here? Then after that, if we are multiplying any number with 1, then it is the same number. Am I right? Otherwise, a into any number is multiplied with minus 1, then that number with the negative sign. Are you getting there? Then any number is multiplied with 0, 0. 0 is multiplied with any number 0. Are you getting there? Any number is multiplied with 1, we will get the same integer. If any number is multiplied with a minus 1, then we will get the same integer with the opposite sign. Then 0 into anything is 0, anything into 0 is also 0. Are you getting there? Yes. So we move to the exercise now. Look at the exercise 1.3. The first question is 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. First question is 3 into minus 1. If any number is multiplied with minus 1, what will you get? Minus 3. Otherwise, plus into minus is minus. If we are multiplying any number with 1, we will get the same number, that is minus 3. Then dear, second part, minus 1 into 225. That means minus into plus is minus, 1 into 225, the same number, that is 225. Am I right, sir? Yes. Now third part, minus 21 into minus 30. So minus 21 into minus 30 means what? Minus into minus is plus 21 into 30. 21 3s are 63. Then it will be 630. Sir, are you getting? Yeah. Now, fourth part. Minus 316 into minus 1. So the product of two negative integers is positive. 1 into anything, the same number. So 316 into 1 is 316. 316. Now, fifth part. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So already we know that if any number is multiplied with 0, then the result is what? 0. Here 0 is multiplied with any number. You don't worry, then it is always 0. Am I right, sir? Yes. Then next part. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So minus into minus is plus 12 into 11. I think so 132. 132 into 10 is 1320. 1320. 1320. Now next one. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Minus into minus is plus. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 9. 9 8s are 72. 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Then it is 162. 162. Then H part, that is 8th subdivision. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Here we are multiplying the negative integer odd number of times, that is 3 times. Minus into minus into minus 3 times, then the result is negative. If we are multiplying the negative integer even number of times, then the result is positive. If we are multiplying the negative integer odd number of times, then the result is what? Negative. Now 18 into 5, 10 5s are 50, 8 5s are 40, 18 into 5 is 90, 90 into 4 is 360. Am I right here? Yes. Then next subdivision is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4. Here we are multiplying the negative integer even number of times. Therefore result is positive. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Am I right here? Yeah. Look at the next question then. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here we are multiplying the negative integer even number of times. Therefore, the result is positive because how many times? 4 times. 4 is an even number. So, result is positive. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. So, the product is what? 36. Are you getting there? Yes. Now, look at the second question now. Are you getting the concept? If you are having any doubts, then you can ask your queries through Google Classroom. Am I right? Otherwise, whenever you are having the online session, you can ask. So you need not to wait. If you are having any doubts, just you raise your query in a Google Classroom. Am I right here? Yes. Now, look at the second question now. I think there are two parts in the second questions. In the second question, how many parts? There are two parts. First part is 18 into 7 plus minus 3, that is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This is what? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Am I right here? Yes. First we consider the left hand side. So most of the students, what you are doing, that is you are simplifying the left hand side as well as right hand side at the same time. Please don't do that, because we don't know that whether these two quantities, that is left hand side and right hand side, are equal or not. We don't know that. So better first you perform the left hand side and then do the right hand side. That is left hand side 18 plus 7 in 18 into 7 plus minus 3, that is 18 into 7 minus 3 is what? It's a positive, it's a negative integer. So subtract and give the greater number sign. So 7 minus 3 is what, dear? 4. 18 into 4 is 72. 18 into 4 is 72. Now consider the right hand side now. That is 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So plus into the product of two positive integer is positive. So 8 7s are 56, 5. 7 plus 5 is 126. Plus 18 into minus 3. 10 3s are 30. 8 3s are 24. So minus 54. Now positive integer, negative integer. What will you do? How will you add a positive integer and negative integer? Subtract the smaller from the greater and give the greater number sign. So 126 minus 54 is 6 minus 4 is 2. 12 minus 5 is 7, 72. Greater number sign is 72. Here left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Am I right here? Yeah. Shall we move to the next question then? The next question is minus 21. That second question, second part. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, that is equal to minus 24 into minus 4. Minus 24 into minus 4 plus minus 24 into minus 6. Minus 21, sorry. It is not 24, it's 21. Minus 21 into minus 6. Now first you consider the left hand side. So what's in the left hand side? Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. That is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is minus 10. So the product of two negative integer is positive. So 21 into 10 is 210. 21 into 10 is 210. Then right hand side, that is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Now 21 into 4 is, the product of two negative integer is positive. So plus 84 plus the product of two negative integer is positive. Then 21 into 6, 126, I think so. 126. So 84 plus 126. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 210. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, we can conclude minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, that is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Are you getting here? Minus 21 into minus 6. Right? So we completed the second question. Then tomorrow we will do 4 more questions from the exercise 1.3. Am I right, dear? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.